Hey guys, it's Josh from the Jestic Culinary Team here. We're just over in Combi Corner in Paddock Wood. We're going to look at setting up and saving cooking programs in the oven. So we're going to set up a nice croissant program here, two-stage program, starting with some combi-steaming at the start, finishing with some convection to get some nice colour on croissants. So come with me, look at the oven. First of all, we'll turn them on with our on-off switches. We've got a Teams unit here, so we've got two displays. We're going to start off by going into manual cooking, and then we've got different options in there depending on what type of cooking we're doing. The three main options appear on the screen straight away. If we're looking at other options, we're going to just scroll up on the screen, and we've got some other bits and bobs we can do there. We can go into more detail of those in another video. Today we're going to go basic, so we're going to set up a combi-steaming program for our croissants. And then we've got our basic parameters straight in the screen there. So we've got temperature, time or probe, and then humidity percentage. We're going to start off quite low for these. We're going to start 120, and we're going to do a little 10-minute time here with 90% humidity. If I scroll up on the screen when we're in here, we've got some other options there, so I can change the fan speed. We want to add another step to the right of this, so second stage. And then I've got my options again to choose the type of cooking that we're doing. So we're going to finish with some convection to brown them off. Same parameters appear. We'll set temperature. We'll set a time here. So let's try 7 minutes, and we'll go 100% of available humidity. I'm happy with that program. If I wanted to now just run that, I could just press start. We're looking at saving that because we're going to use it again. We're going to go into additional features here, and then I've got the ability to save the cooking program. So click on save. It will ask us for a name. So we'll type in our name, and then we'll press OK. We'll choose a category to save that into. So this is a baking program. Baking. We can choose a subcategory in baking. So does it fit into any of our subcategories or nothing? But it's a sweet cake. If we want to upload an image, we could do it from the image section there. If we need to add any notes into the recipe, we've got the ability to add that to the recipe bit. I want this visible in favourites. And then in the final part of there, I've got the ability to turn on or off quality control and turn on and off the steam exhaust system. So I'm happy to have quality control available on this. If we didn't want quality control on and the oven to do some adjustments on the time there, we could turn that off. But we're happy with this program now, so we press save. Cooking program saved. Now if I want to transfer that program over from one oven to another, I can do that through this screen using USB stick. So I'll unplug our barcode scanner, and we can pop my USB stick in, and then if I scroll up on the screen, I can export cooking programs. I'll say OK, I want to do that here, and then the display will give us an instruction to say that's been successfully done. Fabulous. I'll press OK again, remove my USB stick, and we want to then upload that cooking program into our bottom oven. So we'll pop our USB into our USB port. We'll go into Auto Chef. We'll press our chef's hat, and then we can import cooking programs, which will then bring us up the operational instructions. I press OK there, and that will now download them. Cooking program successfully imported. Fabulous. So I press OK. Now if I go into my favourites, I should find my croissant program in there. So that was us setting up our croissant program in the ovens. If you guys have got any questions about programming the ovens or anything Jestic related, get in touch with us at info@jestic.co.uk.